come here to be with us to impart our economics to you of this training and all the resource person here also. And most of all, also many revenue. So it depends on us how to do all these things. So the channel manager also regarding this. So we work together. All of us let us work as and please implement it after we and if you don't person here, then I think they are free.
ADG, Prakash Veer, Sanjay Prasad ADG, and Shalendra Kumar, Indira Kumar. Then Dilip. I think we should have these kind of trainings more often, and not only for bats but for some other improve our content creation, especially.
Online training has been given for the past 3 years. Probably this way you have
training being conducted in this year at Rabm, Shillong. When I took over just 2.5 months back, at the time only we discussed with Sanjay Prasadji to have some trainings. Begin with, of course, sales and marketing training, because sales and marketing is the main focus at this particular time. Of course, content creation is another thing which is in limelight these days for All India Radio as well as for Doordarshan, because content is king, we all know, and unless there is a good content, you can't sell more in the market. You can sell for 1 or 2 months, but not indefinitely. Definitely, you need good content, and this year Prasar Bharati has given a lot of funds to different All India Radio stations as well as to Doordarshan stations to create good content, sellable content to the market, so that we increase our revenue, and of course good revenue means good health organization in long run. And by the way, this is bats. Everyone know what bats means, I suppose? Okay. What bats means?
Sir, the full form?
Yeah.
Broadcast airtime schedule.
Yeah. This is great. We were discussing because bats is not implemented properly, I think, in northeastern part of our All India Radio and the Doordarshan network. So this is one of the exercise we try to do. It's a 5-day session. How many days? 2 days. Sorry, it's 2 days session over here, because it's difficult for sales team to come across at this particular place for a longer time. That's why we kept it 2 days, and even you can't spare yourself from your station for longer period. But anyway, we will continue doing some other courses as well at Rabm Shillong, on some technical courses, some admin courses, and some program courses as well. We will try to do with the help of cluster head over here, and I'm failed on my duty if I don't thank our cluster head to organizing Rabm in this shape. Thank you very much, cluster head over here, and of course this 2-day session we'll talk about sales and marketing and how to utilize bats at your station, so that all billing, all advertisement can be scheduled and billed properly, and monitoring and tracking will be much easier through bats. Hope these 2 days session definitely you all will enjoy over here. Whatever you learn at this place, try to implement at your station. And if you have any doubt, maybe smaller doubt during the session of 2 days, you ask without any hesitation to from the faculty who will teach over here. Because if you have any doubt, then of course you will not optimally utilize the software at your place. So try to clear the doubts, and I request all of you over here, just you might be include yourself in a lot of WhatsApp group, but create a group over here as well. Peer learning is more learning than a classroom learning. So if you this session, learn as much as you can do in this session. Thank you.